So I wanted to open this pack of packing cubes for you so you can see exactly what you get inside. It comes wrapped in plastic. It's pretty much made of polyvinyl. So you get 6 packing cubes in this pack and the zippers open quite easily. So you see all the smaller cubes are actually nested inside the other ones. So I'm just showing you what you get. I got the black one, and I'm really looking forward to using these cubes on my next trip. Packing can be such a hassle, and so in the next clip I want to show you exactly how I used it on my trip. So I showed you the 6 set of packing cubes, right? I showed you that you get 6 in the set, which is really great. They come in tons of colors. And now that I'm actually at my vacation destination, I want to show you what inside my suitcase looks like, to show you what it's all packed, how it packed up for me, right? So I'm opening my suitcase. One thing I love about these cubes is that it just makes everything so nice and neat. So now you can see all my clothing are inside. What I've done actually is like really sorted the clothes how I want them. So I have my tops in one mesh compartment and my bottoms and everything. I even have a way to put my sleepwear separately. And there's a whole lot of clothes. There are a whole lot of clothes in here, and it makes it really easy. As you can see, this is the mesh part. So it makes it so that your clothes get a lot of air and they don't get stuffy inside, so you don't have to worry about musty smells and everything when you're traveling. You can actually get different color ones to have it be color coded so you can know which things are which, or you can just go ahead and you can easily see inside. So you don't even have to do that because you can easily see inside. You can see how easily the zipper comes around. So it's really easy, just, you know, goes all the way across and all the way around. So you can definitely stuff things in there, big sweaters and all that stuff. It really doesn't matter. You can roll or fold, which is great. And so as you can see, I just have it folded all the way in. I have it packed all the way up here. Another great thing that you may have not thought of, besides separating your colors or separating your tops and bottoms and different things, what I have done here is in this section of my suitcase, I have other things like dirty clothes. So if you want to keep your dirty clothes separate, you can actually just put them in here, and so you can know right away when you come back home and you unpack which are your dirty clothes. And look at this, there's even a little bag up here. So these little separate bags can actually multi-purpose, really, because if you were going to the beach or something and you needed a little bag, you could even use this. So not only can you use it for your suitcase, but you can use it for a multi-purpose function and use it as a little bag when you're going out. And then here I have you know, underwear and swimsuits and stuff. They go in a separate bag, so that made it really easy for me as well. So this purchase is for the frequent traveler. Hello, that's me. Don't think because you're a frequent traveler that you don't need the help. The problem with me is I always tend to pack too many things. So this is for the frequent traveler. It's also for the novice traveler. It's also for parents who want to help their kids pack. Like I have 2 kids that travel with me all the time, and this made it easier to really stuff their things in. Even toys, you can separate toys, socks, anything you want. So I hope you enjoy my review. I hope you definitely get these bags because I love them, and I think that you will too. Happy travels.